Welcome back, everybody. I am Crystal Real Nesta, and you're on the Thomas channel, where we do unboxing and reviews. So today, I got what we all love to get, an Amazon box. So anyway, I ordered a couple of things, and I'm going to unbox them with you guys, because y'all know we like to see what each other have, you know? So anyway, in my package today, I bought some new masks. And they came like these. I think Amazon actually shipped these. I just wanted something new and different. Ooh, fancy. It has the little pocket in there for filters. And it came with a couple of little filters to get started. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all know I am obsessed with the filters and the mask that has the filter pockets. But look at these cool colors, guys. I wanted to do something different. That's how you gotta wear it. You put it when you if you set your glasses right over the bridge. This is actually a little big, but I'm sure I can tighten it up with this. And again, I got these off of Amazon. I probably need to do a review on Amazon. But I got me some cool army colors. Look at that. Fatigue, yes. Ooh, the black and gray fatigue. This right here, I don't know how good the color is showing, but this one's blue and white. And this one, I believe, is purple. Like it's a dark purple. But all of them got the little nose bridge. We got some filters. Yay! And they feel really nice and silky. So, not they cloth, but so you can wash them. And I'm digging this bag, you guys. I always keep these little bags to put stuff in. Look at that. Like a little envelope. That's one item. My second item in my bag, I'll do something easy. So you guys, you all know, if y'all watched our previous videos, we are like super obsessed with these vapor pads. Actually, it's just the husband that's really obsessed with them. So these actually go into a little, slide into a little thing and plug into the wall. And that way you can smell vapor. These are awesome for when you're not feeling well. And this is how they look. And it's just a little flat little pad in there. It kind of reminds you of like a little Band-Aid. Right? And you slide them in the plug-ins. And you can sleep with this on all night. It's safe for your children. Actually, is how I started dealing with vapor for nighttime for the kids. So it's 20 in here. And they last 8 hours. And I got a great deal on Amazon. Like I said, if y'all watched our previous videos, y'all can tell we super obsessed with these. Next in my little package. This looks strange, doesn't it? Amazon wasn't playing, boy. They just vacuum sealed these bad boys. So you guys, it is winter. And winter has been pretty mean to us so far. We had like a super big snow. Not to my husband. He prayed for that mess, but I didn't. Okay? So anyway, I bought me some new gloves. These actually said men glove on the little details. But as y'all see, that was really cool. A really nice way to package it. I'm going to try the blue ones. I'm going to save probably the black ones for last. Even though I do love wearing black. But I'm going to do the blue ones because, as y'all know, my coat is blue. And so these gloves are called Fashion Brand Classic. That's the name right there. Fashion Brand Classic. And they feel like felt a little bit. I hope they warm though. These are advertised as men gloves. I don't think so. So that's how they look. You guys, I'm super stoked. I love these kind of gloves because you can put your fingers through them. And you got the little button right here. And here's a little secret. Ta-da! They turn into a mitten. But I guess that's what people was talking about. I thought it was supposed to have a top on the thumb. Now I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I'm not hitchhiking nowhere. But anyway, these will work. Like I said, these were advertised as men gloves. They feel like they'll be pretty warm. I know I always promise you guys a follow-up review and I don't really do it. I need to after wearing them. But the fact that the thumb doesn't have a cover up, that is not good. Usually the thumb is whole, because I actually own a pair of these already. The thumb is whole and then you just move around. Now I will tell y'all from wearing these, I do prefer the one that got the fingers cut out versus just a gap for you to stick your fingers in. So, and I have 3 pairs from Amazon. So right now, if I had to rate this, they're getting a 5. Because why my little thumb gotta be out by itself? Did y'all seen that, right? No cover up for my thumb. Disrespectful. But anyway, last but not least, I saved the best for last. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know y'all want to know what I'm growing, don't y'all? Anyway, so it is pretty chill in our place here, and I mean chilly. And I am getting ready to start my own little garden in the house. So, in order to do that, you need to bring the heat. Give me the heat. So, this contraption, which I will do a follow-up on this because, ladies and gentlemen, you guys, the hubby didn't want to go out like that. So, he got me something I could clip it on. And you put your plants right here. And, there is light. And this light actually gives off heat so that it can, like having sunshine for your, I guess I should have took the plastic off first. Hold on. It gives off like sunshine heat, and it actually is pretty warm already. For the plants too. All right. So as you see, we have 4 of them, and you can put them in any direction you want. You can actually put them pretty close together if you want. But we're just going to do this for demonstration. And we have a little switch. You have light. That's a timer. It's alternating what lights are on. See, this one turned off. That one's back on. See? That's pretty cool. What does this do? Oh, this dims it. Ooh, fancy. And this brings it back up. I think I still got one of my lights off. So that's all my lights on. But anyway, this is going to be for my grow house. And like I said, it's already giving off a good amount of heat. And we just turned it on. So ladies and gentlemen, as y'all see, the girl is super happy to do my unboxing with you guys. A link for each item will be in the description down below. If you guys want to, slide us a little change when y'all click on them links, help a sister out. I spend my time with y'all, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, thank you as always. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And y'all have a good night. Peace.